Now, U.S. stocks, they're pointing to a higher open this Tuesday morning right behind me here at the New York Stock Exchange, helping keep the Dow Jones above 25,000 for the first time since March. Now, to start off the session in the Forex market, we take a look at the Euro-US dollar pair, which sees a continuation of the rebound, while the British pound-US dollar pair also sees a continuation of the rebound. The dollar-yen pair is under pressure, while the New Zealand dollar-US dollar pair sees the bias remain bullish, and that's in focus as the pair stands above its strong horizontal support and overlap at 0.6935, while remaining supported by its rising moving averages. Long positions above 0.6935 are favored, with targets at 0.6975 and 0.70 in extension. Onto the Bitcoin dollar intraday, the downside does prevail as long as 84.82 is the resistance, the pivot point standing at 84.82 for Trading Central. While in precious metals, gold intraday sees a continuation of the rebound, and that's in focus. Gold rebounding above its horizontal support at 12.89 and above its 50-period moving average, calling for further advance. Long positions at 12.90-350 are favored, with targets at 13.0150 and 13.06 in extension. And lastly, silver intraday sees the upside prevail. Don't forget to follow Trading Central on Twitter and other social media networks for all of your Forex market updates. And for Trading Central Web TV on a Tuesday morning from the New York Stock Exchange, I'm James Swinney.